The four past tenses are as follows. Past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Yohan played soccer yesterday. Yohan was playing soccer when it started raining. Yohan had played soccer before he went home. Yohan had been playing soccer for 2 hours before dinner. The four present tenses are as follows. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Yohan plays soccer every weekend. Yohan is playing soccer right now. Yohan has played soccer for 3 years. Yohan has been playing soccer since morning. The four future tenses are as follows. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Yohan will play soccer tomorrow. Yohan will be playing soccer at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Yohan will have played soccer by the time you arrive. Yohan will have been playing soccer for an hour by the time you get here.